Hello to everyone from Stock Lever. Here we are in the warehouse in Liers, in the north of France, to present the new lots from Grover. So let me quickly introduce Grover. Grover is one of the world leaders in the rental of high-tech products. Only high-end products, iPhones, Macs, VR products, drones, scooters, as we will see here, only from brands which are German. There, the warehouses are in France, and obviously they will go to Germany, Belgium, the Netherlands, pretty much everywhere in Europe, wherever you want. We are able to drive almost everywhere. We're going to look at the pallets. So this lot, for example, represents 15 pallets of only two subcategories. So the subcategory scooter and the subcategory VR, virtual reality. Here, as you can see, we took out just like that 2 scooters. So it is a scooter, and we know this one. It's the Grover brand. You can look closely over there. There is no battery since the product has been in stock for a few months. So these are second-hand products, which means they have been used on average for a maximum of 13 months in this batch, which is still quite minimal, just a little more than 1 year. And some products a little longer. There are products that have been used for even less than 3 months. So there you go. There are signs of wear, more or less advanced. Sometimes there are almost none. Sometimes there are a few. You see here a product that has come out, the Mupai, and here you have a product that has come out, but it's not assembled. Here you have the accessories, the charger, in this case, in bubble wrap. There you go. You have knowledge of everything present in the lot. If the charger is included, you know it. If the charger is not included, you know it too. The product is with its original packaging. You are aware of it, and you have a level in the Excel file. It's very important, a level on the defects or not aesthetic, on the functional defects or not. In this case, they are used products that are definitely functional, but really in the Excel file, you will have all the information.
If we look here, here's the product certificate.
So in this case, it's VR, it's GPS, so it's all branded. For the scooters, the main brands are Xiaomi. I think there's Segway. There's, well, for the VR and GPS, there's Garmin. There you go, only brands.
High end. Here, I'm taking out a VR product.
So we can see here, the product still has its power supply. You see, in terms of defects there, I don't see anything. We just see a few small signs of wear here, and the product is perfectly clean.
Here, slight traces of
Fingers, but overall the product is in perfect condition. Everything will be tidy, of course.
Here again on my
Here, the glass box.
Donc ici, un casse de verre. Voilà, qui
Which in this instance shows no signs of heat.
There you go, which similarly is clean. Here, if we look at something else, here, the GPS. So this is from the Garmin brand, like I was saying earlier. Yes, it's from the Garmin brand. So here, it will be interesting to look. The screen is in perfect condition, absolutely perfect condition. If I don't know if there's any charge on the product. No, there's no more charge, but it is necessarily functional. There you go. And we can look at this one, which seems new in this case. So there is the manual, which is probably never opened. And here, I have the GPS, which is in bubble wrap.
Well, this one is dirtier than the other, but still, there's no, it's just dirt, there's no wear. Maybe there's some battery left.
No, there is no battery. So here is this lot of 15 pallets, 13 months of rental on average, sold by Grover through Stock Lever. All pallets are offers for sale at the moment. I leave you to bid. Feel free to ask questions in the chat if needed. And happy bidding.